Okay, today we're working with some really tight woven commercial carpet. So take a look at it here. It's really thin and really tight. This carpet is like an installer's nightmare. And what even makes it more of a nightmare, if you look right down here real close, we're actually working up to quarter round. So that is definitely a dread. And what I want to do in this video is just show how to get a good accurate trim and a pack, and without having to worry about it pulling off of the tack strip and stuff like that whenever you're stretching, and how to get nice flat results up next to the quarter round. So first thing I want to do, since this is a tight, stiff carpet, is I'm just going to take it right to the base, right to the quarter round, and I'm going to go ahead and pre-bend it. Give it a little bit of a crease there. Okay. Now it's, for the most part, already bent right there where it needs to be at the base. Now if I took my packer and I really creased it in there, it's going to be down in there too much and it's going to cause me to cut it too long. So that's the reason why I don't want to do that. This way I still got just a little bit of a slope right there, okay? So I want to get me a slit all the way down. Look right here real close. All the way down to the quarter round. See that? It's actually just a little bit further than it. So I'm going to go ahead, look at my trimmer right here. Really close. My trimmer is actually still going to set right up against the quarter round as it would if I was on a wall or baseboard or something like that. But the thing about it is the angle in the trimmer. Look how much room I got underneath my trimmer right here. I got all kinds of room under there. And that's going to be accurate for my trim right here. That's going to make it just what it should be, having that much of an angle. Because you want to cut it short, not too short, but you don't want to cut it long like you was going to pack it to a baseboard or something like that. So that's the reason I got such an angle right there. Let me go ahead and go back this way too. Okay, now one thing right off the bat you can notice about a carpet trimmer versus cutting it with your knife, folding it back and cutting, folding it back and cutting. Look at that cut right down through there. It's a nice, perfectly straight cut. You don't see any dips like this where you fold it back and cut and fold it back and cut. Okay. So now as far as tucking it, as it is, going right up to the quarter round there. You want to make sure that whenever you push it down, see this? See that raise up when I done that? You don't want that at all, okay? That's definitely going to cause it to pull off. So, since it is really thin and tight, you want to make sure you mash real tight right here with this hand as you push it in with this hand. And there's none of this, or even none of this like you see me doing some of my other videos. You just have to tuck this in pretty much. Start in one corner of your stair tool and just walking it in. That's actually the reason why I'm wearing this glove, because my knuckle goes right up against the wall and rubs whenever I do that. And that's protecting my knuckle there. So if you'll just hold it real tight on the tack strip as you tuck it in, you're going to get some really nice results. It's going to be stuck on the tack strip real good already. You're not going to have to worry about it coming off whenever you stretch, because me pushing it down like this and then tucking it as it's pushed down is actually causing it to get a good bite on the nails as I'm doing this. So this house was built in the 1920s, and there's layers and layers and layers of paint. So this old chippy paint on this quarter round that you see was actually stuck to the existing carpet that I pulled up. I'm not doing that right now as I pack, okay? Just so that you're aware of that. Okay. All right. If you'll take a look at those results really close. Now this is chip paint. We're not looking at that. We're looking at the edge of the carpet, how flat and straight down it is. It's perfect. That's the angle that you want to hold your trimmer on. Enough to about rake your fingers underneath of it. That's not going to pull off. I can stretch or do whatever I want to do with it. And corner, and then just kind of walk it in with the stair tool. That's how you trim commercial carpet up to quarter round. That'll work on any other kind of carpet too, but it's more particular with this kind of carpet, so that's why I wanted to do this video with this kind of carpet. Maybe that'll help somebody. And if you came to my channel looking for help and you found some help or something that could help you in your job, show your appreciation by hitting the subscribe button down there, and stay tuned for upcoming videos.